Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the E minor open pentatonic scale. The E minor open pentatonic scale. And don't forget to subscribe and to like. Now, this is what it looks like and sounds like. Now, first of all, we're going to go here to the sixth string, and we're going to put that open E as the root note. Then on the sixth string, third fret, we'll use our ring finger and play that G. And then on the fifth string, we'll play that open A. Then on the fifth string, we'll use our middle finger on the second fret and play that B. And then on the fourth string, we'll play that open D. And then on the fourth string, second fret, with the middle finger, we'll play that E. Then on the third string, we'll play that open G. Then on the third string, with our middle finger on the second fret, we'll play that A. Then on the second string, we'll play that open B. Then on the second string, with the ring finger on the third fret, we'll play that D. Then we'll end it with that E. That open E. If you put it all together, it looks like this. Again, that's your E minor open pentatonic scale. I hope you enjoyed it, and check out my other videos.